again have possession. 1:35 remaining in today's match between the Jimmies and Polars. Nichols sends it a little too far. Mata with the header. Touch there by Kepler. Roberts to try to get into it again. Now number 13, Lyon, working his way in this near touch. That ball was lost, but it was off the foot of a Polar. Bird over to Zepeda. Bird now sends it back by Neto, but Neto lost it out of bounds. Throw in there by the Jimmies. Lyon sends it back to Bird. The Polars playing with a purpose and some pursuit, wanting to get the far touchline. As he sends it forward, it's going to be a foot race between Gallo and Josted. Josted, as it is crossed, no Polar was near, and the Jimmies were able to get after that ball. See, Josted is there. Josted almost lost the ball. Takuchi was near, almost able to take advantage of that lapse, as that Jensen there. We see 5. Becker pushing it. 12. McVitie, the one to put it in play. That is cleared out by number 20. Ball number 20 there was making some action, that being Wallach. Lyon here with the ball back to Bird in tonight's match. Off the head there of McVitie, as Schulz showing off his speed. Robot, the keeper, back over to Bird. That there for puts that in play. We're still 5 minutes remaining here for the Polars, as the Polars are pushing pace. Showing, as we now see McVitie lose the ball just a bit, which change of possession. Once Navarro clears it out. Bird is the nearest Jimmy, but Schulz showing off his speed. Very physical play there. With the ball, pushing it forward was intended for Takuchi, but does not. As the Polars struggled defensively at times. Josted over to Bird. Bird back to Josted. Samsarian with possession. Bird is, and now Navarro sending it deep towards McVitie. McVitie was the intended. Takuchi checks in as we now have possession by the Jimmies.